Alright. Looks like everything is working. And guess we should start the stream. Let me just tweet that I'm actually live right now before I start with the stream. I think I'll leave this background music. I've got a playlist going on, so it's not just going to be the same through the entire stream. All right. 1 + 2 = 2, obviously. Might need to turn that down. Live on YouTube. Watch me hold on. I know you can't see me at the moment. Guitar music's too loud. Yeah, it definitely is too loud. I'm going to remove that from the playlist. It doesn't really suit the track. But I'm going to have some other background music to make it sound a bit more interesting. Well, I'm just going to play something. The shop channel music. See how loud that is. Audio quality is awesome, thanks. Azar. Right, I'm just gonna check how I sound before we begin. Playback error. Right. Okay, it's loading. The just trying to see if the stream works. Maybe if I turn down the music volume. Okay. Where's my phone? It's in my pocket. Was the Wii Shop channel discontinued? I think it might have been. I tried to go on it and it didn't. I don't think it worked. Was the Wii Shop channel discontinued? Alright. Stream sounds good. Maybe if I turn it up a little bit. That'll sound alright. Command Q. Not doing that. Know what that is. I'm just gonna tweet that I'm actually live. Apologies for the delay once again. I mean, I'm quite new to this YouTube live streaming thing, so it's gonna take a bit of patience. And I'm live. I think I'll turn that down a bit. How's the audio sound with this song, which is also Mario music? Watch me play. No, not play. Watch me try out Windows 98 on Parallels. And then youtube.com/orangey456/live. Alright, that's tweeted. Audio's good. YouTube live streaming is a real pain. I confirm that because of problems we had watching Arc Void live. Cool. And yeah, it definitely is a pain in some cases. Alright. Hopefully that sounds alright. Tralalalal. I just got a tweet from the official iOS. Yeah, it is me. Hello. I guess we should get started with this. So I'm just going to load Parallels Desktop, which is what I'm using. Okay. So I've got the main desktop. I'm just doing a couple of tweaks to the audio. Doing a couple of tweaks. I think that'll do. As you can see, it's loading. That's also Mario music. So I've got plenty of Mario music in this stream. Just have to wait for Parallels to load. See, the stream's working well. That's good. That's iTunes. There we go. Windows 98. Just gonna try now. Did you pay for Parallels? This is a trial, so I didn't pay for it. I'm just gonna resize this window. I can see the comments. Hey Max. I don't need to type that. What am I doing? Hey Max. Welcome to the stream. Alright, I'm going to change the scene to something else. I might just put that up. I use VirtualBox. Yeah, I use VirtualBox as well. Well, I used to. Don't use it. Though it is free. I use VMware. Alright. Okay. Windows 98 starting. Actually, hold on. Let me just do main desktop for now. As you can see there. Yeah, VMware cost money. I don't think VMware Player costs anything. I don't really know, to be honest. You can see there Windows 98 is here. Just waiting for it to load. Let me see if I can change this. I'm just going to move this over here. There we go. I'll switch between these scenes. If you don't know what that is, it's I'm using OBS to stream. Video output low. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Great. Not VMware Player, it's free. Yeah, it is free. For OS 10, no. No, VMware Player actually isn't on OS 10. Don't know, I'm on Windows free, but OS 10 isn't. Right, Windows 89 over a bit, so you can see the chat. You got to put up the chat actually. Ignore that. They always warn streamers about that. Right, I think I'll have the chat here. Just in the corner. just in the corner. Gonna minimize OBS and iTunes as well. And there you go. Yeah, that works. That's fine. You should try Elementary OS. I have tried Elementary OS. Was a while ago. Alright. So, this is Windows 98, in case you didn't already know. As you can see here, 2nd edition is the version I've got here. And it's in, I think it's in 256 colours. Let me just check that. Oh, it's in 16 colours. That's even worse. What version of Internet Explorer is that? Well, let's check. Actually, I don't need to check. I think it's Internet Explorer 5. I think. Don't question me on that. We can check later. But what I'm going to do is... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'm going to install the drivers, because normally in virtual machines you install some drivers in order to make it work a little better. I'm just going to see if I can get that. Can't remember where it was in Parallels. Is this your first live webcast? No, it isn't. Done plenty of live streams on different platforms, including YouTube. Configure. Nope. Hey, Brad. Where is the drivers? I don't actually normally use Parallels. I'm used to VMware. I'm using this trial. You can see the song in the corner, by the way. There. You can ask questions while I try to figure out where the Parallels drivers is. Connect image. No, I don't want that. Maybe it's not supported on here. I haven't seen Windows 98 in forever. Definitely has some nostalgia in it. Alright. Control center. No. So many settings. Advanced settings. Advanced settings. Free acceleration. I'm just going to search on Google. Installing Parallels drivers on Windows 98. That's what it's called. Parallels tools. Here we go. Video drivers for Windows 98 guest OS should be installed manually. Okay. Before proceeding the installation, choose virtual machine. Don't have an option for that. Use virtual machine. Install Parallels tools to connect to drivers, installation disk, library Parallels tools. From the start menu, choose settings, control panel display. That's going to take a while. but we'll do it anyway. Let me get the comments up. Windows 2000 for the win. Google Plus is unlinked from YouTube, but you still need to change your Google Plus to change profile picture though. Lol. No, it hasn't Microsoft blue screened yet. Windows like 8. I just put this out here in a separate window. Hope you're liking my music choice. By the way, can you still browse web in Windows 98? Sort of. Some websites don't really work on 98. Just gonna check this video. No, that's VMware. Don't want that. Alright. Create virtual machines. Installation of Parallels tools. Parallels menus. Actions. Enter travel mode. That's where I went to. What's travel mode? Windows 98 consumes less energy, is more stable than unknown networks. No, I don't. That's nothing. That's nothing interesting. Take snapshot. Enter Windows. Free up disk space. Convenient store. Send technical. No, I don't want that. Show resource usage. If I go to the library, application support, where is it again? Wait, Oracle, no. What am I doing? What am I doing? Help. You can download an old version of Firefox. Go to YouTube and view stream on Windows 98. Photofox makes things easy with guest editions thing. What happens if you try to do a 4K video in Windows Media Player? That wouldn't work. Definitely, it wouldn't work. If you're talking about in Windows 98. Parallels tools, library parallels, so it's not in application support. Okay, so library, find parallels. There we go, parallels. Oh. I think it might be in the root directory. Parallels. Where is it? No. This is off to a great start, isn't it? No. Is it in here? Doubt it will be in here. No, it isn't in here. Where is it? Where is it? Sure, why not? I will try to appear. But I really don't want to upset Alex. This is taking a while, isn't it? Windows 98 VM installed Parallels. Am I getting anything in the comments? Computer clan music. Oh, yeah, it is. That's what they use in some of their videos. Windows 98 second edition on Parallels 4. I can't install any of the Parallels drivers and it's driving me crazy. Any ideas? 98, I see. Nope. When I'm choosing sources. Uh-oh, MS Blue Screen is threatening to appear. She told me on Twitter. I'm just gonna give them a shout out. You can see her. Lol, that's okay. Zan, that's not a nice thing to say. Basically just reading tweets. Alright. Let's get back to this Windows 98 thing. And I'm struggling to get working. But I'll probably figure out a way eventually. We go main desktop. There we go. Virtual machine plus Windows 98. If this doesn't work, I might just try and download VirtualBox. But of course that's going to take a while, isn't it? What version of Parallels is this even? Desktop 11 for Mac. Installing Parallels drivers on Parallels Desktop 11. Here we go, Parallels tools, not Parallels drivers. Actually, I exist in Windows 98, so I will appear instead. Says the red screen. So was my tweet. Alright, here we go. If you're choosing stress, if you're not opted to using start your virtual machine in Mac, go to Actions, install Parallels tools, but that doesn't work. Maybe it's too old to support it. Maybe it's too old to support Parallels tools. That's annoying. I'm giving myself a shout out on your stream, says James Craker. Maybe I'll just show the message because you asked for a shout out. Where is... I'll just show you some of the tweets I'm getting. You can see there. I'll go to my mentions actually. Creative Hub 2, or Azar is watching me. Cool. See the tweets I'm getting. Cracked screen, yep. How do you cope with a cracked screen? It's very difficult coping with a cracked screen. You can see that. Alright. Since Parallels unfortunately isn't working with Windows 98, I might just try out VirtualBox. We can install Windows 98 again on this stream. I don't know how long this stream is going to be, but hopefully you stay with me. Alright, that doesn't work. I never cracked a screen in my life. I wish I was like that as well. Don't like cracking screens. Do you pay? I just saw a comment from Creative Hub. What mess will you do with Windows 98? All sorts of stuff. Hey, the Creative Hub. Hey, Brad. Lodi, did you do a drop test on your phone? No. Zan is a crazy guy. I mean it in a good way. I never cracked a screen either. Lucky you. Right, we're going to try VirtualBox since Parallels isn't working. Could you show these on the stream as an insider preview? It's mine and Max's project. You can see that. What I might do actually is put Messenger, Facebook Messenger on my computer screen so you can actually see what I'm looking at. Aliens, says the official iOS. "53 minutes left. Maybe it's because I'm streaming that it's a little slow. Now it says 5 minutes. Make up your mind. But wait, let me just show the desktop. Okay, right, I'm showing the desktop. Just hide that. There you go. It's James's and Max's project. OFM alerts. Looks cool. You're welcome. Alright. So what should we do in 8 minutes while this is downloading? I don't know. Q&A. Just gonna put this on the side so I can actually see the comments. I like the logo. We should tell that to James and Max. It's interesting that Parallels offers some free operating systems to download, like Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Or Ubuntu, however you pronounce it. Android, Chrome OS, and whatever that is. Modern Internet Explorer test environments. Install OS 10.10.5 using the recovery partition. That's cool. What does OFM stand for? Cool logo, by the way. You should ask that to James Draker. He'll probably tell you. Why don't we read some tweets while we're here, while we're waiting for the VirtualBox to download. Got it on my iPad. Gotta say, I unfollowed everyone that doesn't follow me back. My timeline would be hella boring. Also aliens. Sam from Faint Vlogger just uploaded a vlog. I'll watch that after the stream. I'm gonna favourite that. Any new mentions? Nope. You can see that. Oh, there you go. Testing. Cool. Hopefully the music isn't too boring for any of you. I mean, it's a playlist. All will be revealed on Twitter later tonight. At Miss James Craker. It's launching tonight. Pretty cool, thanks. Yeah. That's that. I'm just gonna resize this window. Actually, I'll just put it back to here so I can actually see the comments. I'll do main desktop without the socials at the top. So I have two different scenes. Alright, it's done. Great. Computer Clan music for the win. Is anyone else watching Computer Clan? There's a YouTube channel. I've been watching that channel for a while. It's got a new mention. I'm tweeting this for no reason, just because Alexander Tucky is reading tweets. Gonna favourite that. You get a favourite from me. Right, let's go back to the main desktop. 33 minutes I've been streaming for. Just a warning, the stream might go on for a little while. Just warning you. Wait, hold on. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Double click the icon, not drag it to the applications folder. Not how you do it, Alex. I was only subbed to him for the music. Oh, alright. I got bored of Computer Clan and unsubscribed. Any music on my channel is free to use to play some Argovoid music. I watch him. I might play some Argovoid music. I should be doing homework, which I am, but half the time I'm stopping and just watching Alex. Let's be honest, you should do your homework. Unless you do want to get a detention for not doing your homework. What's your Wi-Fi speed? I was testing it earlier today. I have a picture on my computer somewhere. I've got loads of screenshots. Let me just find the particular screenshots. Is it? There we go. You can see there. That's my speed. 43.87 megabits, 3.07 megabits upload. That's from this room. This package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. This will take up 176.8 megabytes of space from your computer. Something is bouncing the dock. Well, there wasn't any now. There isn't anything now. It stopped, okay. Installing software. If you have automatic DMs, I'm just reading tweets. If you have automatic DMs for new followers enabled, please disable them. They are so annoying. I agree with that. I'm gonna tweet back to him. I don't think he knows. Well, I'm tweeting back to him on the stream. Let me do a quoted tweet. Quote tweet. I agree with this. See there? Tweet. All right. I agree with that. I agree too, me free. I get 4 megabits download, 8 megabits upload. Okay, installation's done. Give me a second. I'll answer that jailbreaking question in a sec. I'm just gonna open the... Guess I'll show you the desktop. What are your thoughts on jailbreaking? Well, I've jailbreaked several times, including on this iPad. I mean, it's alright, but it does avoid your warranty, which is the bad thing about it, I think. Alright, I'll show you the desktop so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to make a new virtual machine, 64 megabytes. Oh well, we'll go with that. Create a virtual disk now. Yeah, dynamically allocated. Continue, create. It's Pokemon music I'm playing right now. An exclamation mark. Alright, let's give this a go. Please select a virtual optical disk file or physical optical drive containing a disk to start your new virtual machine from. Do have an ISO file on my computer, which I can show. Don't know why I sent that, to be honest. That's alright. Let's see, where is that ISO file? There we go. Windows 98 2nd edition, bootable. 625.25 megabytes. Maybe I should turn off Facebook notifications for now. My YouTube NCN unlinked me because I remake music. That's annoying. How do I turn off notifications for Facebook? Probably shouldn't show these. Yeah, just turn that off for now. Where is notifications? There we go. Well done. Full screen webcam. come on, my computer's frozen. Did you download it from Get Into PC? What, the ISO? Yes. Do you play Minecraft? On occasion. Alright, Facebook. No, I don't want that. Notifications. Get Into PC for the win. Here we go. Here we go. Facebook. None. For now. Just gonna turn that off. For now, for the stream. Oh, come on. Let's try and install Windows 98 on this virtual machine. I'm going to close that. Whoops. Just close the virtual machine. Not virtual machine. Chrome window. Wait, I'll be back in a minute. Sorry for the delay. Just a couple of things I need to do. See you in a moment. And I am back. Hello. Although you can't see my face. But I'm back. Yeah. Should mute my phone as well. There we go. That's all sorted. Let's get to installing Windows 98 on VirtualBox. I think I'm pretty much just going to end the stream once I've done that. It's taken a little while to get to this point. Boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. Okay, welcome to setup. Enable large disk support. Boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. PCI bus scan complete. Alright, it's going to format the drive. Left. Go out. I'm going to minimize this. Put that there. I'm going to put that there. Okay. Press enter. Got scan disk. Don't know what happened there. Continue. Bit glitchy. Just notice that. We'll go with that. SU-win is called a legal instruction in module unknown. Blah, blah, blah. Please remove any floppy disk from your drives. Hold on. Close. Please remove any floppy disk from your drive and press any key to restart the system. I'm just going to screenshot that and tweet it. Okay. We'll see if we can fix this. Boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup for CD-ROM. Alright. Let's see if the setup actually works. No, it doesn't still. Still kind of a bit glitchy from this end. Don't know what is going on there. Alright. I think I'll just end the stream here. Errors occurred in your application, not called. What is going on? Bad fault in MS-DOS extender. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm going to end this stream very soon, but I'll stay on for a little bit before I go. If you didn't know, TweetDeck is a Twitter client used by a lot of people. Okay, here we go. It's loading. Okay. Any comments? Nope. Okay. Oops. Wasn't meaning to click on that. I've been streaming for a little while. Guess I should end it. Okay. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this little stream. Thanks for watching. Apologies for any technical difficulties caused. And I will see you soon. I will do more of these in the future, probably with less technical difficulties, probably, I don't know. Anyway, goodbye. Goodbye.